What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel.
That smile.
This is an exciting day because I just fixed the EVO Scan.
Why else are you smiling like that?
Secrets. Yesterday we were trying to tune the EVO 8 or like finish up reflashing this thing, and I could not get EVO Scan to work. And I tried so many different things, and what I ended up fixing is erasing everything to do with EVO Scan off my computer, rebuying it for 25 bucks. It's a damn not a good deal. Putting it back on the computer, now it works. Cool. Also, Bobby's depressed, and if your girlfriend's depressed and you own a fast car, boys, a little tidbit of advice: bring them for a ride in the fast car, and they automatically get get undepressed.
I'm not depressed. Freaking exhausted.
You just said you're depressed.
Yeah, to you, not to them.
So you are depressed?
Babe, you don't say that on the camera. I don't need my followers thinking I'm depressed because I'm not.
It's okay to have a depressed day. I got depressed today when my freaking goddamn map sensor didn't show up for my FRS. It pissed me off. Depressed. So why do you depressed? Because I just told you my reason.
I'm hungry.
Typical. I'm gonna put the EVO 8 back together because I was messing with the ECU, and then I'm gonna go undepress Bobby. I'm gonna undepress Bobby with my straight pipe. Being that we got the car fixed, or EVO Scan fixed, and I know the car is 100% now, I'm gonna turn this video into just a POV driving, ripping on the EVO 8 video, and a 700 horsepower, straight piped EVO 8. 700 plus. She makes the sauce. She built?
Oh, this freaking monster.
The car?
Yeah.
Or this monster?
Both.
How many likes on TikTok for you to drive this car?
For me to drive it? 10,000.
Say less. How many likes on TikTok for you to flat foot it?
I'm not flat footing this thing.
Are you scared?
Yeah.
Is this the fastest car deck. What? I missed the gear? Is your depression fixed after ripping the EVO 8?
I'm still hungry.
Oh.
Yes, it made me smile.
Hell yeah. Mission accomplished. That is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hopefully the GoPro worked well. I'm sure the audio wasn't the best, but you guys get the point. She hauls ass, and it's fun. Peace out, my friends. I'll see you guys tomorrow.